Hi guys, this is Zoe and welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with another cooking video and I'm going to be making something that's going to be so good. Drum roll please. Honey cinnamon rolls. More of a healthier recipe instead of using all those sugars and brown sugars when you make regular cinnamon rolls. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I got all my ingredients here. So I'm going to pour 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk. I'm going to combine the buttermilk, yeast, salt, and honey together. Need a 1/4 cup of honey. I got this honey from Walmart, like a big giant jug. And I need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Packet rapid rise yeast. I get these right here. You can get them in a bigger glass containers that they have, which is easier just to like use these and open it. And then I'm just going to mix that up. So basically I'm going to let that sit for about 5 minutes and let it kind of like bubble up and ferment a little bit, and then once that sits, then we can go ahead and add our dry ingredients. Alright, so it sat for a little bit, so now I'm going to add my 2 eggs. And now I have a 1/2 cup of melted butter. And then I'm going to add 4 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. And it's going to like start to form into a ball, and I'm going to let it knead in the bowl. Alright, so the dough is going to look like this. I'm just going to lightly oil it and let it sit and rise for about an hour until it gets really poofy, and then we'll go ahead and make the filling for the honey cinnamon rolls. Alright you guys, so I am about to go ahead and roll out the dough, and I have a little helper. Say hey. It out as much as we can. This is pretty good, just like this. So what I'm going to do is I have like a 1/2 stick of butter. You just want to take this. Oh, it might be easier for me to do this. Break it up in little pieces.
That one?
I'm just going to spread it around. So you see, you're gonna take this and you're just gonna spread the butter around like that. Can you do that? Okay.
Let me see.
So he is gonna spread the
What's this?
It's a measuring cup.
Wow.
So now we're just sprinkling the cinnamon. They're gonna look like this. I'm gonna cover them and let them rise for about 30 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and start baking. Oh my gosh, look how good these look. I'm gonna let them stay in the oven for a couple more minutes, and then I'm going to take them out. Oh my gosh, they look so good. The last thing I want to do is I have some fresh chopped pecans. I'm just going to sprinkle on top of them. Alright you guys, so I got me a piece and look at how good that looks. I put some pecans on top. It's really good. The cinnamon and the honey together. Pecans on top. So this is much like a healthier version of a cinnamon roll, and it's really good. Alright you guys, so if you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, put the link in the description. Make sure to comment down below any other recipes you think I should try. And make sure to turn on your post notifications so you never miss any of my videos. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.